If you're experiencing issues with Red Dead Redemption 2 multiplayer, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be affecting multiplayer access. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform PC, Xbox, or PlayStation and install any available patches or updates. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds and consider restarting your router if you experience any connectivity issues. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure they are not blocking Red Dead Redemption 2. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This can resolve any corrupted files or installation issues that may be causing multiplayer problems. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and optimize your multiplayer experience in Red Dead Redemption 2. Happy gaming!